Game Dev Journey. Hey everyone, it's Rob here from Game Dev Journey. I've been looking around for great Godot tutorial channels, and this is what I have to recommend this week. GalGodot is a channel where you can learn and make games with Godot. The channel's run by the stingy developer, but he's hardly stingy in sharing what he learns and creating content for us to enjoy. If you're interested in game development and Godot, and you're new to either of those things, then you can subscribe to join in the adventure of learning game development. Rayuse RP is a channel with an odd name. However, nothing about the content is odd. In fact, it is amazing. On this channel, Ray will be sharing his creative journey from Blender, Photoshop, and drawing to game dev, and some web dev too. If you want to know how to make moving platforms in Godot with no code, or how to add checkpoints to your game, or even just enjoy Ray playing some of the Go Godot Jam submissions, then this is the channel for you. Clicky clicky quickie quickie and subscribe. Going on 20 plus years as a software dev or software architect, the channel ExploreGameDev is all about the creator taking time to explore designing and developing video games. He has quickly discovered the amazing tools and yet more amazing communities in the indie game development scene. He documents as he learns new things, so this is where the content comes from on the channel. If you find this useful, then please subscribe to Exploring Game Dev now. Tiny Legions is a game being developed in Godot, and the developers post devlogs and tutorials and other cool stuff on their channel. The videos are presented well and are entertaining, as well as being informative. Do you want to make stylized clouds or use voxels in Godot? Tiny Legions is the place to find out, so walk your little legs over there and subscribe. BeIndie.biz is the online home for high-quality game development tutorials, presented by Alan Thorne, game developer and author. Their tutorials help you make professional-grade games from completely free software, Godot being the game engine, of course. There really is a lot of high-quality stuff here on Godot, including how to use global illumination light probes to texture masking and how to use area 3Ds. This is a must-have resource for Godot devs, so please subscribe now. That's all I have time for this week. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you all again next time.